Hey guys, what's up? It's Here Take Him, and today I'm going to show you how to build 3 different working Lego Rubik's Cubes. So let's get right into it. Okay, for the first Rubik's Cube, you'll only need these 3 pieces. So you will need one 2x2 plate spinner. This color here doesn't matter for the spinner. For me, it's white, but since I have white, I will need the same color for my spinner for my 2x2 bricks. And I'll need 2 of these 2x2 bricks, the same color of the bottom of my spinner. So then to make this, you will want to put 2 different 2x2s on the top and on the bottom of your spinner. So after you're finished with this, if you want a cleaner look, you can put a flat tile of the color of the spinner on top, and so then it looks more natural. And then if you want to make this bigger instead of this tiny thing, you can take this off, take another one of the spinners and another one of the 2x2 bricks, and just repeat this on as many times as you like. So once you've repeated this as many times as you like, I went all the way to 10, then you can take your tile back and put it on top for the clean finish. Okay, these are the pieces you will need for the first part of the second Rubik's Cube. So none of these colors matter. You can have any color for this. These are just the colors I am choosing to use. So you will need 4 2x4 plates, 8 2x1 plates, and then you will also need 8 1x2 bricks with 2 studs on the side of them. So to build this, you'll need to take one of your 2x4s and then put 2 of your 1x2s on top of either side of the 2x4s. And you'll need to do this twice. So once you have done this, you will need to do the same thing, but on the bottom of your next 2x4s. Now that you have 4 different of these things, you'll take one with the 1x2s on the bottom and one with the 1x2s on the top and snap that together in a cross-like pattern. And you'll do that with the other ones too. And now that you have this, you'll want to attach a 1x2 brick with 2 studs on the side, with the studs facing outside on the cross-like edges of these. And you'll want to repeat that with both of these. And then you'll want to stack these on top of each other, like so. And once you're done with this, if you want, you can take a filler brick and put that in the middle of here, like so. Now for the colors of this. This will be one out of the 2 blocks of your Rubik's Cube, and you will want white on top, and you want to try to make a white 2x2 plate on the very top. As you can tell here, I didn't use a 4x4 plate. I used different pieces just because of what I had on hand. And now you'll need to do this for blue, this side green, this side red, and this side orange. So let's do that. So this is how it's supposed to look when it's done. You have blue, then to the right of the blue is orange, and to the right of orange is green, to the right of green is red. And then you need white on the top. Now for the next part, none of these colors will matter. You'll need 4 2x4 plates, a 2x2 spinner, and you'll only need one of those. You'll need 8 of the 1x2 bricks with 2 studs on the side, 8 1x2 plates, and 2 2x2 plates. And so this building process will be pretty similar to the last one. You want to build 2 of these 2x4 plates with 1x2s on the bottom. Okay, now that you have that done, you will need to do the opposite with the next 2x4s. You will need to take 2 1x2s and put them on the very end on top of your 1x4s. Now once you have done that, you want to snap them 2 together. And then you want to put 4 of these 1x2 bricks on every corner of this, and do that for both of these. And then you want to snap these together. And now once you are done with this step, instead of the 2 2x2s, instead you will want a regular 2x2 brick. And you'll put that in the middle. Then you'll put this 2x2 spinner on top. And that's it for now. Next, you'll need 6 1x2 plates. And you will put these on the edges of your build so far in a square pattern that goes around the 2x2 spinner. Like so. And then you want to put the color coordinated sides on this. But this time you'll have yellow on the bottom. So you'll want to put enough yellow bricks so then it makes a 4x4 on the bottom. And then you'll want this red, this blue, this orange, and this green. Let's do that. And now this is done, and you take your other cube from last time and you want to attach this onto the top of here. And now you have a working Lego 1x1x2. For the third and final build, you'll need all of these things, and it does not matter what color they are. You will need 8 1x2 bricks with 2 studs on the side. You'll need 4 1x1 plates with a 2 double-sided stud on the side. Then you'll need 4 2x1 plates and 3 2x4 plates. So to build this, you'll take your 2x4 plate, put 2 1x2s on top of that, take your other 2x4 plate, flip it over, put your 2x2s, 1x2s on the bottom of that. So now you have a cross-like pattern, and then you put your 1x2 bricks with studs inside on the top and the bottom of this. And now once you are done with this, you take one of your 1x1 pieces with a double-sided stud and put that to the double-sided stud side on the bottom of one of your 1x2s, like so. And now then you put your 2x4 actually on the bottom of those so it's facing upwards. And then you need the colors. Now for the colors of this cube, you will want a white 4x4 plates on the top, though it doesn't need to be a 4x4 plate. You can just use pieces to make a 4x4 plate. And then you'll need a red 4x4 plate on the front of it, and then a blue 4x4 plate right next to that, and then an orange one to the side of this. And then a green one on this side. And then for the bottom, you'll need enough stuff to make a yellow 4x4 plate. And there you go. Now you have a Lego 1x1 Rubik's Cube. Thank you guys so much for watching. One of these comments from this video will be featured in the next video. So if you want to be featured, make sure to comment. If you want to see more of my videos, click the link right here. See you later. Bye.